First of all, I would like to greet you all a very beautiful and warm good morning to all of you. I'm Ritu Bharti and I'm speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I'm here to deliver a talk on success. What is actual success? It is not something which we achieve in a day or a month or a year. It is a long process. And if it is a long process, so no doubt, there is no doubt that it will take a long time. You know one thing? Success requires hard work. Without doing a hard work, no one can achieve his or her success. You have to make some extra efforts than others to achieve it. And you have to do one thing here, that try to make your passion your success. I repeat, try to make your passion your success. Believe me, if you do like this, you will never feel like that you are pushing yourself to achieve it, to achieve your success, to complete your past dream, to complete your own dream. You know one thing, without being a passionate and willingness to do hard work, no one can achieve success. No one can achieve success. And success doesn't have any course of events. It doesn't make any difference. I repeat, it doesn't make any difference that what you are in past. It's a very very important that what you are in present. In the end, I would say, and it is especially for you, and you have to just listen carefully. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. I conclude my talk. Thank you for listening to me with such a great patience. Thank you so much. Have a great day.